A revolutionary new product for remote single-phase customers is now available from Precise Power Corporation of Bradenton, Florida. The 1-to-3 remote power source is unique for driving three-phase loads from weak single-phase power distribution lines. The 1-to-3 remote three-phase power source is a single-phase Ritten pole motor connected to a conventional three-phase generator. Utilities and remote customers alike encounter difficulties with weak single-phase power. The cost of extending three-phase power or installing three-phase converters present cost-prohibitive solutions that can be overcome through the installation of the innovative 1-to-3. The primary feature which differentiates Ritten pole single-phase motors from more conventional designs is a rotor surface featuring a continuous magnetic layer, which can be modified by the stator while the motor is running. The stator consists of normal motor windings plus a concentrated winding called an exciter, which when energized creates a powerful magnetic field used to right magnetic poles on the rotor magnetic layer while the motor is in operation. The design capability is what allows Precise Power motors to use much less starting current and enjoy much higher operating efficiencies than conventional designs. The low current is a soft start, which reduces voltage sag or flicker to acceptable levels, even when starting a 60 horsepower motor. To reduce voltage flicker to even lower levels, a Velvet Start option has been added to these motors, so that starting current is actually less than full load operation. The interior of the motor actually consists of two stators, so only one has to be used for startup, and the second only energized for larger loads after the machine achieves synchronous speed. For utilities, the distribution system experiences very low flicker, less than 3% right at the 1-to-3 location during startup, and less than 1% voltage drop may be experienced at secondary locations along the distribution system. The motor improves power quality on the distribution line and supplies ride-through protection for the end user during voltage sags and blackouts caused by recloser operations. Unlike conventional phase converters, the 1-to-3 provides true, balanced three-phase power, eliminates disruptive harmonics from feeding between load and utility, is a unity power factor load to the utility, and gives complete isolation from harmonics on any customer load. This advanced design phase converter is even softer on the utility than standard three-phase motors. The customer enjoys protection of its load from lightning surges, voltage dips, all transients, and most importantly, delivers inexpensive, high-quality three-phase power, operating from remote single-phase power sources. Ritten pole motors start with only 2 times rated current and are designed to ride through momentary power interruptions with ease. The 1-to-3 delivers three-phase solutions far superior to phase converters or engines. Customers enjoy cost savings through the motor's high efficiency and even greater savings through avoiding the cost of three-phase power installation. A recent case study in the effectiveness of the 1-to-3 remote power source was seen by the Sisters of Santa Rita Abbey. Located outside of Tucson, their unique operation of producing communion bread for national distribution required 40 kilowatt ovens with computer automation, which necessitated a balanced three-phase power supply. Located several miles from the nearest three-phase lines, it would have cost in excess of $200,000 to run three-phase power to their operation, plus an additional $1,200 monthly. In conjunction with the local utility, Precise Power installed their new single-phase to three-phase Ritten pole motor generator with Velvet Start. The results were amazing. Only a 1.67% drop at the primary side, with no noticeable flicker observed on the distribution line. When it comes to efficient, high-quality three-phase power applications on single-phase systems, the Sisters of Santa Rita thank heaven for Ritten pole technology. The 1-to-3 is perfectly suited for remote power needs such as 50 horsepower and greater three-phase motors, submersible three-phase pumps, multi-three-phase motor loads, and three-phase electronic loads such as computers, medical devices, and radar sites. Other applications include dairy farms, grain handling systems, sewage lift stations, medical clinics, and radio transmission towers. With the 1 to 3, any customer served by single-phase lines can now get high-quality power for 3-phase applications with installation in just a few hours, compared to waiting months or years for a 3-phase extension. Precise Power written pole products, leading the way in power quality. The 1 to 3 remote power source for power anytime, anywhere, and right now.